welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So happy Halloween to you guys. I hope you guys are watching this on Halloween, so it'll go with the theme, okay? And if not, you know, I'm just happy you're watching. So today's video, I'm just going to show you a last minute costume idea that I decided to do. And I decided to do Flintstone, of course, as you can tell. No. But I decided to do a Flintstone. I decided to do Pebbles, because Pebbles is the cutest one on there. And then the mom, and then the auntie, you know, all of that. But I like this show, so I decided to do this. I always wanted to do it, y'all. I just really love the little outfits and the whole little caveman type of thing they got going on. So I just made my bow and my dress and all of that, and I will show you guys how to make this. You probably already have some of this stuff at home that you probably don't even wear, sis, so you don't even have to go out and buy nothing. But if you do, you know, you can just go ahead and spend $5, you know what I'm saying? You can go ahead and spend your little $5 and do a last minute costume like I did. But I'm not gonna make this intro too long. Let's get into the video. So right now I'm just showing you guys all the products. I did use a shirt from Walmart, which was about $5. And then I used some scissors. I used a hot glue gun instead of this fabric glue that I'm showing you guys. I did use needle and thread instead of a sewing machine, but you can use either or you can hot glue it, whatever you want to do. I just did it this way. And then yeah, I am using a bobby pins for like my bow. And then I did use a black and white shirt. It's like a little tank top shirt that'd be like $1 at Walmart, or you know, at Forever 21, wherever you go get it. So yeah, this pretty much it. I'm just gonna take off the tags and show you guys the shirts that I was talking about. And you see, it is shirts that I already had that I don't even really wear no more. And I just flipped that green shirt inside out. I'm gonna measure my black shirt up with that, because I like the way it fits. So I'm just gonna cut out the shape of it, for our dress or whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much what you're gonna see me doing. I'm gonna do the same to the other side, and then you guys remove the black shirt, and then the top part of the shirt, I'm gonna make it kind of like a V-neck, like a little V-neck, to kind of dip a little bit, because I don't like it to be looking like a t-shirt at the top still. So that's what you're gonna see me doing, just cutting around the collar part. I am doing this on my bed instead of like on the floor or whatever, but you can do whatever you want to do. But I did it on my bed because I was watching the originals, okay, on Netflix. But yeah, I'm just cutting that V-neck at the top, and yeah, because we don't want to be looking basic and just be looking like, you know what I'm saying, we want to be looking good. So afterwards, it should pretty much look something like this. It don't have to be very straight and clean. We're going to pull it up, make sure it's straight, and then we're just going to cut like little slants or triangle type shapes at the bottom. And, just so it can look kind of like cave-ish. You know how they be looking like on the Flintstones. I mean, come on, y'all. Y'all know what's going on. And we're just going to do that all across the whole bottom part of it. And that's pretty much it for the bottom part. after you cut all the little slants at the bottom, it should pretty much be looking like this, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm going to make sure that I you know, lay it out flat or whatever, and I'm just showing you guys that you can kind of stitch it or whatever you want to do right now. I'm just going to go ahead and like stitch mine, and this is pretty much what it's looking like. Nothing really too fancy, just something quick. And I turned the dress back inside out. So now we're going to cut like little triangles out on the on the black shirt, and just put them like all over it. And so I did use the hot glue to glue them down. So yeah, that's pretty much how we're gonna put them all on there. I mean, you don't have to do triangles, you can do whatever shape you wanted to, but triangles is like the easiest one to me, so that's why I did it. I did take my white shirt and just like draw little bones on there. I didn't show you guys that, but yeah, I just drew like a little bone picture or whatever, and I'm showing you guys that now. And then I'm gonna pick out which one looks the best. I actually asked my fiance and he told me this one. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and like hot glue it together, hot glue all the pieces together, and I'm gonna stuff it with tissue so it can give it like a little plump to it and it not look like flat and dull. Okay, so yeah, we just gonna stuff it all together and hot glue the edges and hot glue it together. And this is pretty much what it's looking like. We're gonna take a bobby pin so it can be able to stick in our hair, and we're gonna hot glue it on the back of that and just put it in our hair after that, sis. So I mean, this project was very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this last minute costume idea. I hope you guys do recreate this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up for your girl. Comment your thoughts down below. Subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much, and I really appreciate it. You know, I really do, okay? I really like the way this hair color is really going with this, because you know she had like the orange hair color. She had the orange little hair color, okay? So your girl is really into it. Your girl is really into character right now. No, I will be uploading pictures and stuff on my other social networks, so you guys can follow me on those, add me on those, okay? If you want to see your girl looks, and let's keep up with your girl outside of this YouTube thingy, you dig? And I'll see you guys in the next one.